George Barn, ladies and gentlemen. Speed center. There's the Black Beauty with the proper exhaust. The client listened to us. Dyno. Everybody's having coffee. So 80s. Look at that. Yeah. And a real so 80s. Happy with Honda. We get a copyright strike. Ham on brood. I just can't wait. Rest in peace, Herman. Oh, this is very rare. This is a Renault Alpine convertible. Not a 110, but a 108. This is the predecessor of the 110. Very, very rare. I love the shape. Look at the details. Nice. Bed and his crew does everything right. A young bunch of guys, car enthusiasts, the next generation getting things done the proper way. Very happy to see that. Okay, let's head to the next address. And yeah, easy breeze. Thank you, Speed Center. At Speed Center. Okay, let's head out into the rain. Well, Black Beauty version 2.0 loaded up. Looks really nice. Derby Classics is ready to go. Had to wait out the storm. It was raining, it was pouring down, but anyway, it's on the trailer. Okay, let's out to the next clients. Weather is pretty bad. Nice. As beautiful as they come.